20 years is just the beginning. It's just like a grown-up man or a woman who enter their adulthood. We are once again extremely happy to have been built such a successful community around the world, and it is our promise to all of you that the next 20 years will be even more successful. We will work even harder to impress you, to support you, and to ensure that all of your endeavors are successful.
Academic Union is a very important network of universities and businesses, and is unique in the world because it's the only organization that goes from Vietnam to Mexico, from Cyprus to Colombia, and is headquartered in Oxford. So this is a very special network that puts together academics and entrepreneurs. And it's very important to look at the future and think that the future should be an involvement between the universities and the corporations to create a new kind of university.
As the president of the Global Club of Leaders, I am so proud of what we've experienced over the 20 years. And just as a little reminder to remind you of what we have experienced. First of all, we have a global membership. People are flying in from every continent on the planet, and everybody is so open to share their achievements and how they are changing with times and how they're changing their leadership mindset.
Many challenges with business environment, population growth. We need to collaborate, we need to work across the borders and find ways to together develop our world and take care of our world. And I think organizations like the EBA are a very important initiative to find collaboration among us, between countries, people, business companies, governments, cities, universities, other organizations. So it's a very good initiative.
Your efforts to assemble world leaders has been so successful. I will be always with you. Happy 20th anniversary. I'm Jessie Lai from Monspace Multinational Corp from Malaysia.